ASML is a global company that delivers lithography solutions and metrology solutions to the semiconductor industry worldwide. My name is Jan Kuit, and I work 25 years with ASML, and I'm head of mechanical engineering. Our industry is R&D intensive, and the challenge of our engineers is to innovate and provide the solutions that our customers need. And in order to do that, we need technology innovation, but at the same time also manufacturing innovation. Because a good solution is only a good solution when it can be manufactured. Our products are characterized by a high level of complexity where multiple disciplines come together. In order to innovate, we need the knowledge and know-how and input of many different competences, but also of suppliers that help us in manufacturing our products. We stimulate our engineers to partner with our suppliers and the engineers of our suppliers. But of course, what we also would like to see is that all the different experts come together. And therefore we promote the Manufacturing Technology Conference in analogy to our technology conference, where all the different parties can show what they have in capabilities in-house.